In this masterclass, I will teach you the keys to help you arrange Xenon music. Now, what does it really mean? Essentially, this masterclass comes after all the previous one and before the mix and masterclass. It means that now you know how to create and design the elements that you will use within your track. And I'm going to help you compose and arrange all these elements into an actual music. I will talk about music structure and objective music theory, but also subjective intentions and their place in the arrangement. My opinion on arrangement is that once you know the very basics of it and you are careful about them, you're absolutely free to design your own templates or start wherever you want in your own music. Would it be from the intro or the peak of the track or even the end? I think that in opposite to pop music, there's no perfect or usual structure that make a Xenon hit. Even though you can find lots of similarities between tracks and artists, we are doing psychedelic music that is highly specific, so the intention that you are going to give to your music will most likely make it Xenon or not. Basically, Xenon music is music made by people that likes intricate sound design, finely tuned progressions, and find themselves in between techno and psytrance in their composition preferences. To me, it's important to talk about musical intention rather than overly technical opinions about how music should be. This means that no matter how technical and advanced sound would be in a music, it won't forcibly make it interesting or fascinating and enthralling for the listeners, but also for yourself. If you don't have fun composing a track because you overthink about patterns you don't feel like you fit, then you'll get frustrated as much as I was at that time. Maybe your idea of what happy or sad sounds like differs from other people, and it would be interesting to present your own version of it to bring more variety in the music world. This is what musical intention is about, rather than set-in-stone arrangement. It's what makes music so diverse because of the human mind behind it and how these human minds decided to express it. So here is what I would like to teach you in 3 overall modules. From preparing to arrange a track to a complete musical piece. We've just talked about musical intention. I will then explain how important it is to set up your session before starting to arrange, so this will be about session templates. I will give you a summary of structuring in music theory before explaining everything specifically in depth. We will then talk about how to build musical tension, how to keep cohesion between sections, and how to bend the rules once you've mastered them to achieve a complete musical piece. And that's about it for the masterclass.